Picture this. It's a quiet morning in a Tokyo park. A 92-year-old Japanese grandmother bends down and touches her toes. No groaning, no chair, no struggle, just a smooth, graceful fold, effortless. Now imagine the same scene in America. People in their 60s fighting to put on socks, needing support just to stand up from a chair. Stiff joints, morning pain, lack of mobility that steals independence. So here's the question America needs to ask. Why are Japanese elders moving like they're still in their 40s? While Western seniors are losing mobility decades earlier, researchers studying senior mobility discovered something surprising, and almost nobody in the West is talking about it. They found that many Japanese elders practice 5 simple nightly movements just before bed that help their joints stay mobile, flexible, and pain-free. No gym, no supplements, no equipment, just 12 minutes every night. And tonight, you're going to learn move number 5 and move number 4, the first 2 steps of this Japanese nighttime routine, and how they can transform the way you move. But before we begin, tell me in the comments right now, where are you watching from and what movement has become harder over the years? Standing up from the floor? Reaching down to tie shoes? Looking over your shoulder while driving? Drop your answer below. I'm reading every comment. Now let's begin. Move number 5, the seated forward fold. Japanese elders call this the nightly reset button. Sit on the floor, legs straight in front. Sit tall like a string is pulling your head upward. Then slowly walk your hands forward along your legs, folding gently toward your feet. No pushing, no bouncing, just breathing and letting gravity do the work. Hold for 2 to 3 minutes. Breathe slowly. Every exhale, sink just a little deeper. If you can only reach your knees, that's perfect. Progress comes naturally. Why this movement matters. Most adults never sit on the floor anymore. Bodies forget how to bend, how to fold, and how to release tension. This movement helps loosen the tight connective tissues of the back and legs that contribute to stiffness and pain. Japanese elders often place a folded blanket under their hips for comfort. They don't chase perfection, only consistency. Do this every night for 2 weeks and you'll feel the difference. In a month, you'll move differently than you do today. Now take a deep breath. Because move number 4 might look simple, but inside your body, something powerful is happening. Move number 4, the lying spinal twist. Also known as the relaxing twist. Lie on your back. Bend your knees. Arms out to the sides like a letter T. Let your knees fall gently to one side while keeping your shoulders on the floor. Hold for 90 seconds, then switch sides. It looks effortless, but inside, your spine is decompressing. All day long, gravity compresses the discs in your back. That's why people feel shorter and stiffer in the evening than in the morning. This movement helps create space between each vertebra, giving the cushioning fluid in your spine room to flow again. It also releases the tight muscles between your ribs that affect breathing, posture, and torso movement, something most people never stretch. Japanese elders breathe into their ribs during this twist. Feel the expansion. Feel the release. Most people want to switch after 20 seconds, but the real benefits begin after 1 minute. That's when your nervous system finally relaxes. You might even feel a gentle popping sensation. That's just trapped pressure releasing naturally, like your spine sighing in relief. This simple twist improves real-world movement. Looking over your shoulder while driving. Reaching into the back seat without pain. Standing up straighter and taller in the morning. If your lower back feels sensitive, place a pillow between your knees. Modify, don't quit. That's the Japanese philosophy. Why these first 2 movements matter. These aren't workouts. They're nightly body maintenance. Just like brushing your teeth prevents decay, these movements prevent stiffness and maintain mobility. And here's the truth America needs to hear. Most age-related decline isn't caused by getting older. It's caused by not moving. Japanese elders protect their independence by moving every night. Gently, mindfully, consistently. Do these first 2 movements tonight. Just 5 minutes. And when you wake up tomorrow, pay attention to how your body feels. Because in part 2, we're going deeper. The next movement increases spinal fluid circulation, improves balance, and reduces morning stiffness. And it's done on hands and knees like a crawling baby. Most adults haven't done it in 50 years, and the results shock people. And after that, movement number 2 changes everything about how your knees, hips, and balance function. You don't want to miss it. Call to action. If this video brought you value, hit like, subscribe, and share it so more seniors can stay healthy, active, and independent. Tell me in the comments right now, are you going to try move 5 and move 4 tonight? And which movement do you want to fix, bending, twisting, or balance? I'll see you in part 2. Don't miss it, your body will thank you.